Today I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna be bringing on my next hiking trip in Mount Everest Base Camp. I'd like to say that today's video is sponsored by Columbia Sportswear. You probably don't know, maybe I'm here already. Yes, I'm already here and it's my day 3 and I have so much time to do. It's my first time to go outside the country after 4 years. So I'll try to speak English as much as possible for international audience. I'm gonna show you what I brought on my trek during Mount Everest Base Camp. I thought that it's very raw. I thought it's not commercialized. But when I arrived here, it's already like there's tons of houses around, so you don't need to carry tents, sleeping. I mean, you need to carry sleeping bag. You don't need to carry so much gears. And there are porters that will carry your bag. So I just brought a 25-liter backpack, which is low pro. I realized that I don't really bring much stuff because most of my gears are just camera gears, and I usually hire a porter to carry my tent and other stuff. I have 2 bags with me, actually 3 bags. And I have this bag, which is the porter is carrying this. This is around maybe 50 liters, I don't know. So yeah, I'm gonna show you what's inside of it. I'm using Columbia gears. Special thanks to Columbia Philippines for sponsoring my apparel. So I have this belt bag, which is very useful because I usually use it for emergency stuff, like I need to take out something. So I usually put my money in here, so you're just carrying it in your body. And I have my action cam in here, passport, because there are checkpoints along the way that you need to present your passport and you need to easily present your stuff. So I have my phone in here and my medicine. Some of my medicines are in here, so just in case emergency happens. And so this is the one that I'm carrying with my own because the other one is carried by the porter. And what's in here? So I was supposed to bring my water bladder here on this part because I really love this low pro backpack. It was supposed to be for laptop, but it can also be a good way to place your bladder. So it broke, so I wasn't able to use it. And for this part, I'm carrying my wet wipes, which is very easy access, my lip tint. So most of my stuff that I really need for fast situation, I will put it here. My alcohol here, my eye drops, put it here. And yeah, I put my hat in here, so it's the 360 pole in here, so it's gonna be easy access. I have my sunblock in here, so I have my raincoat in here as well on the packet part. I'm gonna open it. So this is a camera hiking bag, which I can't find aside from low pro brand. So this is my really trusted brand. I think this is around 12 kilos. It's important not to miss anything, especially for this part, because if you're gonna buy stuff here, it's gonna be expensive. So I have 3-liter water. So usually I don't buy water anymore. I just put aqua tubs. So later I'm gonna discuss my maths. So this is the backpack that my organizer planned me. So it is important to waterproof everything. So if it rains, your stuff is waterproof. But it's not waterproof, so I just have plastic in here. First and foremost, when you open my bag, I have my food in here. This is all trail food, which is heavy, like 2 kilos. So this will save me from trekking and spending a lot of money for the trail food because I think the trail food here is around 300 rupiah or around 150 pesos per sneakers. So if you brought a lot, you will save money from. it. And I also have this C2 Summit. So this is from C2 Summit, and I really love that it's lightweight and it's like a separator for my other stuff. What's in here? I don't know. I have my used shirt in here, which I haven't ziplocked. This is heavy. I have 2 power banks, like around 1 kilo. And I have 4 GoPro batteries spare. And my insecurity go to here and other stuff. So this is. And make sure to ziplock them because you don't know what's gonna happen. And I brought an extension because I know that there might be no plugs. So this is gonna be an important situation. And thankfully, the plug here is same in the Philippines, so it's not an issue anymore. You don't need to bring an adapter. So this is all my wires. I had to ziplock them all. And I have my meds in here, which I'm gonna show a different photo one by one. So of course I have my oral hydration, vitamin C, muscle pain reliever just in case. I have my aqua tabs for everyday use to save money from buying water. I have my Diamox that hopefully I won't be able to use. That's it will help you ease the pain for altitude sickness. I have my first aid kit, which this and toothbrush, of course. This is the aqua tabs which I bought at the pharmacy in Tamil, Kathmandu. So I have my deodorant, which is very big. And yeah, as a girl, I have my lipstick because I might have a period in the next few days. And I also have emergency blanket. I also brought a soap for washing. Maybe I won't wash, so don't bring it. I also brought a water filter, but maybe I won't use it anyway. Soap. This is Magway soap, petroleum jelly that you need to apply you will avoid blisters. Tissue paper is important, and a lot of herbs. I suggest to bring a lot of. I also bought this in Tamil, Kathmandu. This is cashmere, so it's gonna lessen the coldness. In Tagalog, walang ibang papainit sa'yo kung hindi ang mga apparel mo. So let's proceed to my apparel. These are my underwear. I won't gonna show you one by one, but I bought a lot of seamless underwear, so it's not gonna be hard for clothing, especially for girls. And yeah, I bought this socks at Tamil, so you will be needing 3 socks for this trek. It's actually up to you, but I suggest not to carry a lot of stuff. I have another socks that I usually use for sleeping, and I have 4 shirts with me, which maybe I won't be using because feeling ko hindi ako babaho. Charot lang. Maybe 2 is enough. I also brought a trekking pass, which I bought before pandemic, which I haven't used. It's perfect for winter. For high altitude like this. Brought another 1 leggings, just in case my other pants are very smelly already. This is my other pants. This is Columbia. So this is the same to what I'm wearing right now. So this can be used as a shorts, but can be used as a pants as well. So actually, you won't be using shorts here because it's very cold. I have 2 base layer. The one is what I'm using right now. I have base layer with me, something like this. So this will be your base layer during the trek. C2 Summit towel. Yeah, so I love that it's very handy, like without case. So maybe I'll shower today. So this is the C2 Summit towel. Why do I have accent today? Maybe because I'm in a car. Just use this after this 3,400 because we're already 2,400 today and it's very cold. So I'll be using it, and I'm using this mostly at night. So this is Columbia. It has Omni Heat infinity. So compared to other fake materials, it's really legit that it can protect you from cold weather. And it's not heavy. Perfect, especially right now that it's very cold. I also brought this another jacket which I've been using for the past 2 days. So it's windproof and waterproof. So during the rain I use it and it's really waterproof. I also love that it's also omni-heat like this one. That's what I really love about Columbia jackets. Really, you really have assurance with the quality of the materials. This is not enough. So you will still need an outer layer. So this is my outer layer. So this is what I'm going to be using for outer layer. So when I got this jacket, it has other fleece included, but I didn't bring it. So I got, this is medium and I got a larger version because I need it to be at least large. Like other product, it has also omni-heat. So as you can see, there are foil in here. This is not a heavy material. So I have this base layer with me that I'm using during my trek, and I will use this after this 3,400. Because we're already 2,400 today and it's very cold, so I'll be using it. And I'm using this mostly at night. So this is Columbia jacket. Merino wool beanie. So the scarf, I'm putting it here. You also have to bring a polarized gloves because it's gonna be cold. I also brought a sleeping bag. It came from my organizer, Adventure Gandaki. So he already gave me a porter bag and a sleeping bag, and also this trek pole is included. And there is also one in here. I forgot how they call it. It's gonna be used for snow, so hopefully it won't snow, but I want to experience snow as well. But hopefully. And I forgot to mention that I also have the check headlamp just in case. So yeah, that's all the hiking gears I brought during my Mount Everest Base Camp. I'm still not yet done because it's my day 2 today. Hopefully I will be able to reach till the base camp and not avail a helicopter ride because I can afford it. Watching and see you on my next adventure. Bye! Ano yung mga nakikita mo sa movie, nandito ka na in real life?